and welcome back to our Kid Video Series, where we come to create, imagine, and discover. June is safety month, so today we're going to do a real quick recipe for baby safe paint. It only takes a few ingredients. You need baby cereal, water, food coloring, jars, stir sticks, and just some measuring spoons. Okay, so this takes a 1-to-2 ratio. So if you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baby cereal, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. We have our baby food jars, and these hold about 2 tablespoons of baby cereal and with 4 tablespoons of water. Okay, and I have lots of weird colors, so I'm actually going to go for something spring related. So I'm going to do some purple, some pink, some green, and some yellow. Now you do still want to discourage your little one from eating this for when you are using different paints down the road. But should they get it in their mouth, it's perfectly safe for them because you know babies, they love to put things in their mouth. And you just mix them up real well. And you have instant baby safe paint. And they're just from ingredients that you already have in your home. And there you are. Now you can just enjoy a project with your baby and know that they'll be safe. Happy June Safety Month, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for more videos like this. Have a great day.